What's up, guys? We got the laptop in here. We're getting ready to tune on the car. And things have escalated quickly, as you can see. Guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here hanging out with us for another video today. My name's Cora, and we're going to be working on the right-hand drive project. We made it to Import Face-Off and had a great time there. Once we made it back home, we figured out there's some issues going on with the K-Series. So we're going to go ahead and jump right in and get started. What is up, you guys? We're doing an update on the Type R. We got it to Import Face-Off and back just fine. We did have smoke coming out of the exhaust, which was pretty embarrassing. And whenever we got home and checked the oil, we realized that it was about a quart low, so it was losing some oil. And whenever we pulled the spark plugs, they looked like this. And they were brand new whenever we put them in. So, definitely have an issue going on. The first and easiest thing that we thought to try was checking the valve seals. The valve seals definitely looked really rough, so we got all those swapped out, and we're about to get the valve cover put back on and change the spark plugs, and then we're going to fire it up, and hopefully there's not going to be any more smoke coming out. We've got the valve cover back on, changed the oil, everything's pretty much ready to go except getting the battery put in here. But we're getting ready to open up the garage, push it outside, start it up, and see if it's still smoking. When we first started up, it is going to be smoking for sure, because there's still oil and different stuff in the system that needs to get burned out or burned off. But hopefully after it runs for a little while and we drive it, it won't smoke anymore. But let's go ahead and open up the garage. That way I can get this thing outside. Yep, we're still borrowing the JetMate battery. Gotta make sure that thing's nice and charged.
Yeah, I'm just doing you a favor. Charging the battery for your JetMate.
I know, I can't wait to take that thing out. Am I good to start it?
Yep.
Should I give it any gas or just leave it?
No, just
okay.
stay right and just let it run. Now the idle air control valve shut off because it keeps throwing a check engine light for it, so it's gonna idle. It's gonna take it a minute to warm up and it's gonna be idling kind of low and funky. Old school.
think you're right. I think it was the valve seals. Yeah. All right, let's let it warm up for a minute and then go drive it.
Get something to put some cat food in.
Okay. Go feed the cats.
Really? It's feeling you think you're filming them.
Filming the horses. And my handsome husband. You're not really seeing any smoke. Stray cats that hang out around here, so our friend Derek, he always feeds the cats. Got us to do it too. I think people have done burnouts in this parking lot.
Yeah. I wouldn't know nothing about that. Front-wheel drive car, I don't do donuts.
turned into a rescue. Our brother Jimmy needs a jump. Usually he's the one towing us home, so. y'all, we're back in the garage. It's a few days later from when we rescued Uncle Jimmy, and things have escalated quickly, as you can see. What did we find out, babe?
That's not an illusion. The whole engine's torn apart. We got pistons pulled out, trying to figure out what's going on here. We've done just about everything we can on the easy side of things, trying to figure out why it's consuming so much oil and smoking. Everything in the engine was brand new valve seals, new rings, fresh hone, but for some reason it keeps burning a lot of oil. So our only choice was to pull the head and pull the pistons back out and check the rings. That was about the only thing left that we hadn't checked, which we knew it was all brand new, so we really didn't think that's what it was, but we had to check it. And yeah, we pulled it all apart and found out that everything was installed correctly, but for some reason it just doesn't seem like the second scraper ring's scraping the oil back down like it's supposed to.
Yeah.
After doing some research, we found out that the particular brand that we used, other people have had issues, not only in the Honda community, but I've seen like some Jaguar stuff and things like that where people have had issues with that particular brand.
Of the piston rings?
Yeah, that particular brand of rings that we used. After they rebuild their engine, end up high oil consumption, as much as, burning a quart of oil per 100 miles.
Yeah.
And so, after doing a lot of research and checking everything else, we think it has to be some kind of defect with the second ring on the piston, because it makes good compression. It's just burning a lot of oil, so for some reason it's not scraping the oil back down to the bottom of the cylinder, and it's getting up past the ring, so.
Yeah, so that's where we're at, guys.
Yep, we've ordered a new set of rings, and now we're waiting for those to show up so we can re-gap the new rings, put it all together, and hopefully get this issue resolved.
Alrighty, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and wrap the video up here. We're just waiting for those new piston rings to get here, and then we're going to get the Type R fixed up, hopefully. Fingers crossed. That thing is making us pull our hair out. But we'll see you guys in the next video. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a huge thumbs up, and we'll catch you in the next one.